Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Mini Countryman key. First, ensure you have a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery ready. A clean, well-lit area will make this process much easier. Begin by locating the small slot on the side of your key fob, usually near the key ring attachment. This is where we will start the opening process. Now, take your small flathead screwdriver and carefully insert it into the slot you just located. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver slightly. You should hear a small click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Work your way around the seam if needed, but avoid using excessive force to prevent damage to the casing. With the key fob open, you will see the old CR2032 battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery. Now, carefully insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Test your key to ensure it functions correctly. And speaking of being prepared, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.